also need 6 eggs. We also need caster sugar. We also need vanilla flavour. The first bit is difficult. We're going to separate the eggs. Of course, I'm not going to do the separating. Daddy's going to help me do it. Here is the egg white. Here is the egg yolk. We're going to put the caster sugar in the egg yolk. And now the sugar's in, I need to give it a good mix. That's now really mixed. I'm going to whisk the egg white. It will take a long time. That's the egg whites done. We only have the cream left. In the last bowl we put vanilla and the cream. Whatever you do, don't lift the whisker. We add our yolk and sugar and whisk it again. I gently add my egg white. Finally, we put it in the freezer. That's how we make ice cream. That was delightful. That was delightful.